Welcome to the Introduction to Ansible course. My name is Makai. I'm incredibly excited to help you learn this tool Ansible that I've been using for over 5 years, which consistently helps me to solve technical problems every single day. Ansible is a configuration management tool, which helps you to automate processes that a software developer or systems administrator would traditionally do manually, such as standing up a new server, modifying firewall rules, or deploying a web application. Ansible can automate steps and do it in a way that is maintainable and easily readable by other developers. This course assumes that you've never used Ansible before, or that you tried a different learning resource, but that it did not quite click for you. You don't need experience in any particular programming language to use Ansible, although familiarity with Python is occasionally helpful. If you're a Ruby, Java, C#, or any other language developer though, you will do just fine, and Ansible will be just as useful in your projects. In this course, we will cover why Ansible is a great tool to have in your tool belt, what Ansible playbooks are, and how you should write them, as well as how to configure servers and secure your own data, such as passwords and other sensitive information. We'll touch upon source control because it's critical to every project, and you can work with source control implementations such as Git repositories in your playbooks. As with any tool, there's a learning curve. So throughout the course, I'm not just going to show you the happy path while live coding, but actually make mistakes along the way and show you how to recognize what happened, debug the issues, and fix the problems so that you can continue on with what you were originally working on. We'll learn about Ansible modules, which provide the building blocks for almost everything we do in Ansible. Towards the end of the course, we will deploy an entire web application together, which will combine all of the information you learn in each chapter so you can leave this course feeling really comfortable with using Ansible for your own configuration management and application deployments.